Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to access your Facebook information. Your Facebook information is a broad terms for various pieces of data the company has about you. Some of it is pretty standard stuff like your Facebook post and friends. Other elements of this section are a little more intriguing. Let's take a look. First step is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and tap on the three horizontal line to access settings. Go to the settings on your Facebook account, then scroll down and go to your information and tap on access your information under the your information heading. Next, you will see a page with quite a few categories. You can click on any of this to access links to the information is storing about you. For our example, we will tap on logged information. Scroll through the list of options to find out more. Although it may take some time to go through each category and through each subcategory, Facebook really does make it easy to see what the company is collecting and how. But there are other methods too.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.